Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making sausage dip. Get ready to indulge in a creamy and savory explosion of flavor. This crowd-pleasing appetizer is great for everything from tailgating to potlucks. So grab some chips or crackers and get ready to savor every last bite of this delectable sausage dip. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now to get started, grab a large skillet and bring it up to medium heat. Cook 1 pound of ground sausage until evenly browned. Now ground beef can be substituted for ground sausage if you would like. Or if you're looking for a spicier dip, use spicy ground sausage and add a dash or two of your favorite hot sauce. I'm always looking for a kick, so this is definitely the way that I like to prepare this dish. Once your sausage is cooked through, drain the skillet of any excess fat. Then add 1 medium diced onion and cook this until the onions are translucent. Then stir in a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies and simmer for about 5 minutes. Once that finishes simmering, lower the heat to medium-low and stir in 8 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Then once the cheese has melted and the mixture is well blended, stir in the crushed red pepper, and all that's left to do is add salt and pepper to taste. Then serve warm with tortilla chips or crackers and enjoy. So, if you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you'll find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.